If your head often feels full of things you need to remember, tasks, ideas, errands, things you don't want to forget, sometimes the problem isn't that there's too much to do, it's that everything is sitting in your head at the same time. Hi, I'm Marianne. Here I share simple planning systems using pen and paper that help you turn those thoughts into a calm plan for the day and the week ahead. Now, on this channel, you'll find things like brain dump methods to clear mental clutter, running to-do lists that help you organize tasks without rewriting them every day, weekly planning sessions where we open our planners and reset the week together. Planning here isn't about filling every page perfectly. It's about creating just enough structure so life feels a little calmer and clearer. Now, if that sounds helpful, you can start with the brain dump video right here. And if you enjoy planning with pen and paper, make sure to subscribe and join us for the next planning session.